Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to carve text in Adobe InDesign. So let's begin the video. To carve text, you need to create a path for the text to follow. You can use the ellipse tool for a circular path or the pen tool for a custom path. Let's use the ellipse tool for this example. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw a circle on your page. Select the Type on a Path tool from the toolbar. Then click on the edge of the circle. Type your desired text. Use the character panel to change the font, size and color to match your design. To adjust the position of the text on the path, use the selection tool to click and drag the start or end points. You can also use the Type on a Path options for more precise adjustment. Go to Type in the top menu, then click on Type on a Path and select Options. Here you can change the effect, align to path and spacing. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.